Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about char function in Tableau. Let's get started. Char function is used to return the character encoded by the ASCII code number. Let's see the example below. Char of 65 equal to A. That means character function is used to return the character. And to return the character, we are going to pass a ASCII code within the character function to get the character related to the ASCII code. Let me open Tableau application and show you how to create or how to use character function in Tableau. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have the sample superstore data with me and I have created a new worksheet and renamed it as character function, char function. So there's a drop down over here right below the data source and I'm clicking on that to create calculated field. To create calculated field, I'm clicking on the create calculated field option and we have different kinds of functions available in Tableau and altogether it is displayed as all. When we click on that, we will be able to see different kinds of functions available. So let me click on string function because character is a part of string function in Tableau and let me click on character function. So as soon as I click on character function, it is going to display the syntax of it and the definition of it, like how to use it and when to use it. And there is an example as well, so that we will be able to replicate the example or use the example to get the desired output in our sheets. So let me replicate the same example, whichever is displayed on the right side of the tab. So now I have typed char function and providing 65 ASCII code over here and renaming the calculated field to char test and I'm clicking on OK. Now let me change this to entire view. It's already entire view, so nothing to be changed over here. Now I am bringing the calculation field to text, character test to text. So as soon as I place the calculation to text, it is displaying me the character which is relevant to the ASCII code. Let me edit the calculation and change the number over here. Now I'm going to provide a value which is irrelevant to the existing number. Now I'm going to change it to 72 and clicking on apply to see whether the value changes or not. As soon as I click on apply, I am able to see H got displayed over here. Let me click on OK. So we will be able to pass different kinds of numbers and get the characters related to that. So let me give you other way of understanding character function. In my previous video, I have already explained about ASCII function in Tableau. ASCII function is used to get the ASCII value when we pass the character inside the ASCII. Whereas in character function is vice versa to the ASCII function. So there we pass the character over there and get the ASCII code related to that. Here we pass a value which is nothing but ASCII code and we get the character as a result. This is how you can understand character function and use it in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmiles31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.